In this video, we are joined by Nick Nimmin, and we are going to give you the top 5 tools for YouTubers.
Deliver your value.
Hi, and welcome to Creator Fundamentals. My name is Dan Courier, and I am here to help you deliver your value through online video. Today, we're joined by Nick Nimmin. If for some reason you don't happen to know who Nick Nimmin is, Nick, could you tell them a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, like Dan said, my name is Nick Nimmin. I teach people how to grow channels, make videos, and all types of other YouTube-related stuff. And a lot of the things that help me do that are using the proper tools, because when you start on YouTube, you don't realize, a lot of people don't realize that there's a lot of stuff that can help you get a lot of traction with all of these things that you're doing. So that's what we're going to be going over today.
All right, Nick, so what's the first must-have tool for YouTubers?
In my opinion, the first must-have tool for YouTubers is TubeBuddy.
Absolutely.
And the reason for that is because, in my opinion, the A/B testing feature inside of TubeBuddy is the most valuable part of TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy as a whole is an amazing tool in terms of like channel management, learning how to rank your videos in search and things like that, and assisting you in that learning process. But the A/B testing feature is a game changer, so to speak, because if you're making thumbnails and your thumbnails are not generating a high click-through rate for you, then you're gonna lose. Like at the end of the day, that's just the end of the, that's it. You're gonna lose. So if your thumbnails are not effective, you're going to lose. That's the very first point of contact that people have with your content. So it's mission critical to make sure that your thumbnails are effective, and TubeBuddy can help you do that. So when you actually go to install TubeBuddy, for that you want to make sure that you're also going to the Legend package, because that's the only package out of all of it that actually allows that feature. But it's seriously, if you're going to be a YouTuber, TubeBuddy, #1.
All right, so the next tool I want to share with you is Morning Fame. Morning Fame provides a very unique look at your channel. It actually looks at your most recent videos to identify whether your channel is performing, but not only performing, but trending in a positive direction. There are a number of visual aids to help you determine what your strengths and what your weaknesses are and what you can do to improve the channel. Morning Fame also has an excellent keyword research tool that really cuts down the amount of time you have to spend on keyword research by narrowing in all of the keyword phrases that you can use to rank your videos.
And you might be thinking right now, you might be thinking, wait a minute, but you just recommended TubeBuddy, and now you're recommending Morning Fame. Like, which one should I get? Because both of them have keyword stuff inside of them. But at the end of the day, they're two totally different tools. They work in two totally different ways, and they both have humongous advantages with them. So just like you would build a house and you need a bunch of different tools to build a house, when it comes to your YouTube channel, all of these tools that we're talking about in this list are things that can assist you with building your YouTube channel, just like you use a bunch of different tools with building your house. So using both of these services can create a huge advantage for you when it comes to growing your YouTube channel.
Absolutely, and I use both of those tools with every video I upload.
Same here. And her.
And her.
She does too.
All right, so for those of you who follow the channel, you know we've talked about the importance of using live stream to help grow your channel and engage with your audience. Nick, what is a tool they can use to help them with live streaming?
I recommend Streamlabs OBS. And the reason for that is because they have tons of overlays in there that can make your stream look cool. And what I mean by look, like overlays, widgets, all kind of stuff. And what I mean by that is not just look cool, but actually help it be a little bit more interactive as well. So they have overlays, for example, so you can have everything looking pretty, you know what I mean?
Right.
They have widgets that can help you get the chat up on the screen. They have it to where you can add your own graphics, so if you want to put tickers across the bottom or something like that. They even have alerts. So if you're streaming and somebody subscribes, then you're going to get a little message that pops up on the screen for them that says, hey, thank you for subscribing, so that not only do they have that, but you can also acknowledge them during that as well. So it's like, oh, great, I just subscribed here, and they're actually welcoming me, which creates that instant, deeper connection with the person that's watching your live stream. So for that, we personally use Streamlabs OBS for Nimmin Live, and it's an awesome piece of software. So for that, I definitely recommend Streamlabs OBS.
Great. All right, so the next one is kind of obvious, and of course that is your editing software. You want to find editing software that you are comfortable using and something that fits in your budget. When I first started, I was using a software called Filmora. I used it because it was easy to learn, and it also didn't break the bank. As I continued to develop my skills, I upgraded to Premiere Pro, but there's really a number of different editing tools out there, so you want to figure out which one is right for you. I'll put a bunch of links in the description below so you can check them out and learn more. All right, so the next tip has to do with SEO, and that includes your title, your description, and your keyword phrases. We all know the importance of that. Nick, what is a tool they can use that can help them enhance that process?
I recommend Keywords Everywhere for that. Keywords Everywhere is a browser plugin.
Okay.
I know they make it for Chrome. I'm not 100% sure on Firefox, but I know they make it on Chrome because that's what I use it on. But basically what it is it basically gives you search volume next to different phrases. So like, let's say for example, let me explain this out. Let's say for example, you go to the YouTube autocomplete and you start typing in what it is that you are trying to rank your video for, then, or the videos that you're interested in making. Then what that does is that tells you the actual interest in that particular phrase that you're looking for. So that's a game changer, because a lot of times people will make videos and they'll think like, hey, you know, it's #1 in that drop down, but in reality, that one might not be getting a lot of searches. So this gives you a lot of insight into the actual search volume for what it is that people are looking for. Now, there's another one, a bonus app, that if it's okay with you, that I would like to mention as well. So there's a service that I use, and they also have an app called Monday. And Dan will have a link to it down in the description below, but with Monday, it's actually a content schedule, and you can get really detailed. You can assign different things to it. You can assign different editors if you work with a team and stuff like that, which I don't. Yeah, it sounds big. I've got like one editor, not a team, right? Yeah. But this app basically helps you schedule your content out, and it puts little timers next to things, so it says like, hey, you're getting close and things like that. The Monday app is incredible, a game changer for me. The Monday app, in terms of just keeping everything organized and being able to see at a glance, because you can dictate by color and by actually typing it out different stages in the process. Like, hey, this video right here needs recorded. It's a video idea, but it needs recorded. This video right here, the files have been uploaded to Dropbox. This video right here is with the editor. This video right here is waiting for approval. So you can see like a color range to know exactly where each video is at in the process. It's amazing.
That's all the time we have for today. If you want more ways to help you deliver your value through online video, consider clicking the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so you don't miss a thing. Thanks again, Nick. My name is Dan Courier, and you're watching Creator Fundamentals.